Alright guys, welcome back. So we got sun rising in the background because it's dead early in the morning. I'm tired, Alfie's tired, he just drank a coffee latte and we're getting clips. So today I'm recording, tomorrow maybe recording, it depends on how I feel. Today obviously I'm recording, but hopefully my spokes come today, my spoke covers. If they don't, then they don't, it's fair enough. But I do want them to come before the bike ride, because at the moment, man's got his seat on his Carrera, and that wasn't a death spin, but so, thanks for watching this video. Hope you can like and subscribe. Okay, film me now, because I don't like it.